Hello, good morning everybody. How are you all? Did you gone through yesterday's? Did you work out all the homework exercises? Today, let us discuss another important concept of logarithm mathematics, that is logarithm. Logarithm is something inverse of exponential functions. See, suppose yesterday we saw 2 to the power 6 is equal to say 64. 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64. Okay. See, the value of this index can be found out by taking the log function to the base 2 like this. 6 is equal to log of 64 to the base 2. Suppose 10, this is 1000, this is nothing but 10 cube, or log of 1000 to the base 10 is equal to 3. Okay, log of 1000 to the base 10 is equal to 3. Similarly, generally, if a raised to x is equal to m, where a is any real number and it should not be 1. The thing is, it should not be equal to 1. So, this x is log of m, as in this case, to the base a. Log of m to the base a is x. Okay. Now, this is the definition of logarithm. Some certain laws are there. Log of m into n to the base a is equal to log m first factor plus log n to the base a, same, that remains same. This is base. Log of m by n is equal to log of m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Log of m to the power n is equal to n into log m. Log m to the base a can be split into two parts, log m to the base e, log a to the base e. See, you can take any base here. Okay, suppose log m to the base a is log m to the base k divided by log a to the base k, like that. So, this is called as change of base. You take it. Let us consider some simple examples. These expressions are given. You are asked to write those in logarithm forms. 3 cube is equal to 27. How to write this? What do you mean by 3 cube is equal to 27 implies log of 27 to the base 3 is equal to index 3, this index. Okay, 4 square is equal to 16. 4 square is equal to 16 means log of 16 to the base 4 is equal to 2. Cube root of 8 is equal to 2. That means, what is cube root of 8? That is 8 to the power 1 by 3. Yesterday you saw this. 8 to the power 1 by n is nth root of a. Index can be converted into surds like that. A to the power m by n is nth root of a to the power m, like that. So this is equal to 2. So this implies log of 2 to the base 8. Log of 2 to the base 8 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Similarly, what is that? These are ABCs. D is log of 0.001 to the base 10 is equal to minus 3. Log of 64 to the base 8 is equal to 2. This is write in index form. If log is given, you are asked to write in index form. So log 64 to the base 8 is equal to 2 means 8 to the power 2 is equal to 64. Okay. Similarly, B, log 6561 is equal to 8 implies to the base 3 here, 3 to the power 8 is equal to 6561. Similarly, you can find that 6 raised to 3 is equal to, I will write it here only, 6 raised to 3 is equal to 216. Similarly, 2 to the power minus 4 is equal to 1 by 16. These are the answers. Make a note of it. See here, this is another type of example. You are asked to evaluate this. Log of 243 to the base 3. Okay. We don't know this value. Let log of 243 to the base 3 is equal to x. Okay. That implies 3 raised to x. 3 raised to x is equal to 243 is equal to express in terms of 3 in terms of exponents. So this is 3 to the power 2 is 9, 3 to the power 3 is 27, 3 to the power 4 is 81, 3 to the power 5 is 81 into 3 is 243. So x should be is equal to, base are same, so x is equal to 5. So answer is 5. Log 100 to the base 0.1. Here also let log of 100 to the base 0.1 is equal to x. This implies 0.1 to the power x is equal to 100, or 0.1 means 1 by 10 to the power x is equal to 10 to the power 2, or this implies 1 by 10 means 10 to the power minus 1, 10 square. So what? This is 10 to the power minus x is equal to 10 to the power 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus x is equal to 2, or x is equal to minus 2. Similarly, third one, log 75 to the base 5 root 3. Okay, this implies 5 into root 3 to the power x is equal to 75. See here, what is this? 75 can be written as 25 into 3. 25 means this square. 3 into root 3 is 5 into root 3 squared is equal to 75. Therefore, x is equal to 2 here. Got it? Fourth set of question is find the value of log 8 to the base half, log x square to the base x, log 1 by 16 to the base 1 by root 2, log 2 to the base 1 by 4. Okay. Let log of 8 to the base half is equal to x. This implies 1 by 2 to the power x is equal to 8. Okay. This implies 1 by 2 means 2 to the power minus 1. Okay. A raised to minus 1 is 1 by a. Last day we seen that. 8 can be written as 2 cube. This implies 2 to the power a raised to minus 1 raised to x, a raised to m to the power n, a raised to mn, 2 to the power minus x is equal to 2 to the power 3. This implies x is equal to minus x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 3. Okay, that is for a part. What about this one? Here also let log of x square to the base x is equal to, I will take some other variable name, okay, p, because we should not confuse with this x and that x. So this implies x to the power p is equal to x square. Here your job is to find p value, therefore p is equal to 2. Here let log of 1 by this is equal to x, 1 by root 2 to the power x is equal to 1 by 16. What is that? That is, this implies 1 by root 2 means 2 to the power half. Okay, since it is 1 by 2 to the power minus half, shall I write like this? To the power x is equal to, this is 2 to the power minus 4. This implies, again index rule, 2 to the power minus x by 2 is equal to 2 to the power minus 4. So minus x by 2 is equal to minus 4. That implies minus x by 2 is equal to minus 4 means plus x by 2 is equal to plus 4. So you can change this sign. So x is equal to 2 into 4, 8. The value of x is 8 here. Similarly, try this one. Let suppose this is equal to x, this implies 1 by 4 to the power x is equal to 2. Okay, see, this is 1 by 2 to the power 2, so this implies 2 raised to minus 2. I will write 1 by 4 as 2 raised to minus 2, 2 to the power 1. So what this implies? This implies bases are same, minus 2x is equal to 1, therefore x is equal to minus half. Okay. See, next question is, you are asked to find x, solve for x. See, log of 64 to the base x is equal to 2. This implies 2 to the power x is equal to 64. That implies what? 2 raised to x is equal to 2 to the power 6. 2 into 2, 4 into 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So x is equal to, that implies x is equal to 6. Similarly here, this implies minus 3 raised to x is equal to x raised to minus 3. X raised to minus 3 is equal to 1 by this is 7 raised to 3. 7 into 7, 49 into 3 is 343. That implies x raised to minus 3 is equal to 7 raised to minus 3. So, that is x is equal to 7. This is not always okay. We can, assuming bases are also same, then x is equal to 7. What about this one? This implies 1 by x raised to minus 5 is equal to 1 by 243. This is equal to x raised to minus 5 is equal to 1 by 243 means 3 raised to 5 it is. That is 3 raised to minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Similarly, last one, log of 0.216 x raised to 3 is equal to 0.216. 0.216 is nothing but 0.6 to the power 3. 0.6 into 0.6 is 0.36 into 0.6 is 0.216. Therefore, x is equal to 0.6 here. Okay. Here you are asked to find the value of log 2 plus log 3 plus log 7. This is equal to log of 2 into 3 into 7. Here log base is not given, can take anyone, but all base should be same, then only you can work out. Log of 6, 4 6, 7, 42. Similarly, this is due to log of mn is equal to log of m plus log of n. 3 variable is there, one more variable you can take log mnp. Similarly, this is equal to log of 5 into 7 into 9, that is 35 into 9. Log of 35 into 9, 9 5s are 45, 4, 9 3s are this is 31, log of 315. Okay. So you are asked to find the value of x here. Log of 256 to the base x is equal to 8 by 5. This implies 256 is equal to x to the power 8 by 5, isn't it? So what is this? 256 means 2 to the power 8, x to the power 8 by 5. That implies see 2 to the power 8 is equal to x to the power 1 by 5 to the power 8. Okay, because a raised to m by n can be written as a raised to 1 by n whole to the power m. Okay, this implies x to the power 1 by 5 is equal to 2. So what? X is equal to, therefore x is equal to, x means x raised to 1 by 5 whole raised to 5 is equal to 2 raised to 5. Okay, I am taking the power 5. So this become 5 now, x now. Therefore, x is equal to 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. Okay. Similarly, this implies 0.4 to the power 3 is equal to x minus 3. So this is 1 by 0.4 raised to 3 is equal to x. 0.4 into 0.4 is 0.16, 0.16 into 0.16, sorry, into 4, that is 0. Or it is enough if you write like this, 1 by 0.64 is equal to x. Similarly, this one 9 raised to x is equal to root 3, or 9 raised to x is equal to 3 raised to half, that is 3 raised to 2x is equal to 3 raised to half, because 9 can be written as 3 squared raised to x, 9 is 3 squared because here 3 is here. So this is 2x, 3 raised to 2x. Therefore 2x is equal to half. That implies 2x is equal to half means x is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1. Now 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4. See, this is homework exercise for you. First question is write in logarithm forms. 9 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Remember, any constant to the power 0 is 1 means if you take log, what happens? Log of 9 to the base, what is that? Log of 1 to the base 9 is equal to 0. Log of 1 is always 0. Okay, that result you have to remember. Then root 4 is equal to 2. 10 raised to minus 4 is equal to 0.00001. 2 raised to minus 5 is equal to 1 by 32. Okay, you have to express that in log forms. And the second question is express in index form. Log of 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. You have solved this type of example just now. Then third question is log 28, 128 to the base 2. You have to find the values. Log 27 to the base 1 by 3. Solve for x. You have to find the value of x there. In second part, log 27 to the base 1 by 3 means you have to equate that to x and then find the value. Then simplifying, log 4 plus log 8 plus log 5. Sixth question is log x to the base y into log y to the base z. Log z to the base x is equal to 1. You have to apply the change of base rule, last rule, fourth rule. Okay.